In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find passwords for any websites or app you have ever logged in using the Chrome browser on your computer. And to do this, we are going to use Google Password Manager to find out all our passwords. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Chrome browser, and you can see mine is here. Now from here, head to these three dots on the top right corner and tap on it. Look for the option called Password and Autofill. And here it is. Then tap on Google Password Manager. If I go tap on it, now you can see passwords for all the websites that I have ever logged in on my computer. And you can see the list is too long. There are quite a number of them. Now, if you want to see the password for any of this website, for instance, let me choose this. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then if you had set a password or a PIN for your computer, enter your computer password or PIN first before you can see this page. Now here you can see the password. It is here. In case you had forgotten it and you want to see it, just tap on this show password. So when you tap on it, it will expose your password and you'll be able to see your password. So that's how you find all your passwords using Google Password Manager on Chrome browser. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.